last night it got rather windy. Hi everybody, just a quick video from the garden today.
And that one from me.
We are standing in our new poly house, or going to be poly house. Sean's knocked this up out of some old timber that we had lying around. The whole structure is about 20 foot by 9 foot. So we'll be able to start our seeds in here and also have a raised bed area for tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers.
Mommy. We're down here. And the tie, if you can see, with my stick. It's a very old tire. And there's the garden with Mummy. Mummy, say hi!
So today we are doing a couple of jobs that we do in the garden. So the netting keeps getting blown down and it's just stapled up against the post right now. So I thought if we put a bit of wood and screw the wood on top of the netting into the fence post, then perhaps it'll stop the wind from blowing it off so much.
You dropped your water bottle. And we popped it there. And Mary's a bit loud.
I'm using second-hand screws, which doesn't help.
And it's just being annoying. Just actually annoying.
So maybe that'll work, maybe it won't. So we're getting there. Just going to do the bottom row now, which is behind me, which isn't as bad. Obviously the wind doesn't come from that direction quite as badly. And whilst I'm doing this, Sean is clearing up the hedge, clearing up the fence lines with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
We've had some trees come down over this last bit of bad weather, so firewood. So last night it got rather windy and I didn't like the look of my broad bean plants. They were looking a bit damaged, so we decided to put up a netting tunnel to try and protect them a little bit. I didn't get enough to cover it all, but I did one short row and it looks as though it's helped in protecting them slightly. Come out this morning to see if it survived, and this is what we're left with. So it has worked and I think it's sheltered the plants a little bit, which is great. We do plan on covering a lot more of our crops this year with net or fleece to help protect from the wind. And we've also got plans to plant willows around the edges of the garden, in particular the direction where the wind does come from. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.